Let us go with this 15th problem here. Right, a man completes a 50 km of journey at 8 km per hour, right, and the remaining 30 km of journey is in 3 hours. His average speed for the whole journey is. That is what we need to find, right? Let us check out here now. So first 50 kilometers, this is 50 kilometers and this is 30 kilometers, right? This 50 kilometers journey is going to cover it in 8 kilometer per hour, correct? Now here they have not given speed, we need to find, but this 30 kilometer is going to cover in 3 hours, right? We need to find the average speed. We know average speed, we need to find it. Average speed is equal to what? 2ab divided by a plus b, where a is equal to, that is this one, right, that is 8 km per hour. B is equal to, that we need to find, right, we need to find first, then we need to find this one. So to find this, the speed in this particular journey, so they have given distance and as well as time. We know that speed is equal to distance by time. What is distance? That is 30 km, time is 3 hours, which is nothing but 10 km per hour, right? That's what B is equal to, 10 km per hour. Now substitute those values. 2 into A is 8 into B is 10, that divided by 10 plus 8. So it's going to be 2 into 8 into 10, that divided by 18. Correct? 2 ones are 2 nines are, which is going to be 80 by 9. Now this I'll convert it into mixed fraction, right? You know how to convert it. 80, 9, 9 8s are 72, correct? 9 8s are 72, right? 72. So the remaining number, that is going to be 8, correct? Now if you check with this, see what happens here. This is going to be, so we can stop here, that is Q R D. What is Q? Q is quotient, that is 8, R, that is remainder, again 8, and divisor 9. The answer is 8 8 by 9. Here somewhere they made a mistake here, right? Right, this is wrong. The answer here is 8 8 by 9. Hope you understood. Fine.